Welcome back to JZ Supercars, where we explore the most exciting, luxurious, and powerful vehicles on the planet. Today, we're diving into something truly unique, the Dacia Duster REDUST Sport, a bold transformation of the well-known budget SUV. Get ready to see this beast like never before, a wild redesign. The Dacia Duster REDUST is no ordinary Duster. This version, modified by Carpoint GmbH, comes with an aggressive widebody kit, extending the wheel arches by 20 millimeters on each side. The sharp lines, massive air intakes, and sculpted side skirts give it a low, muscular stance. Paired with 20-inch alloy wheels and a quad exhaust system, this SUV looks ready to take on supercars. Performance upgrades. This isn't just about looks. The REDUST Sport gets serious performance enhancements. It features a lowered suspension for better road grip and a custom exhaust that adds a powerful growl. Though it sacrifices some off-road ability, it makes up for it with razor-sharp handling and on-road presence. Interior and comfort. Inside, the REDUST Sport maintains Dacia's practical approach but adds sporty touches. Premium materials, upgraded infotainment, and unique detailing. It's a perfect blend of everyday usability and high-end styling. Final thoughts. The Dacia Duster REDUST Sport is an SUV with attitude, a budget-friendly vehicle turned into a head-turning powerhouse. Would you take this beast for a spin? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JZ Supercars for more incredible automotive content. Outro, JZ Supercars. Stay tuned. More epic rides coming your way.